Now let's look at how to fold formal pants. So this is what you do. You take a formal pant, and basically the whole trick is you take the bottom of it, and the bottom has two stitches, one that goes on the outer side and one that goes from the inseam. So you take these stitches and you match them. Then you match the other leg to it in the same way. So all the 4 stitches will come in one line, and then you hang the pant like this, upside down. What will happen is automatically the pant will take a shape in which it is supposed to be folded. This portion where you have the front buttons, fold it in like this, 1 and 2. And now the pant has taken a shape. You can either hang it like this, if there is height enough in your hanger shelf. If not, you take one fold and hang it like this. Again, if you are not hanging the pant, then just make these 2 folds, 1 and 2. And this is how you can fold pants and pile one on top of the other.